Grade 12 scholars to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 11 of our physics course, Electrostatics, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with physics. Let's dive into Chapter 11, Electrostatics, an essential aspect of physics. In this overview, we dive into Coulomb's law, electric field and expression derivation, electric field concept, electric field strength, problem solving with electric field formula, application of electric field, magnitude and direction of electric field lines, electric dipole concept, electric flux through a surface, Gauss's law, electric field of conducting plate, electric field of hollow spherical conductor, electric field between charged parallel plates, electric potential, unit of potential, problem solving with electric potential formula, relationship between electric field and potential, problem solving with E is equal to Vd, electric potential due to a point charge, calculating potential in the field of a point charge, electron volt, capacitance and farad, capacitors in simple circuits, capacitors in series and parallel, polarization of dielectric, charging and discharging of a capacitor, energy stored in a capacitor. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with Coulomb's law. In this lesson, students will learn about Coulomb's law, which describes the force between two-point charges. They will understand that this force decreases in a medium other than free space, and they will be able to state and explain the law. Next, we'll explore electric field and expression derivation. This lesson focuses on deriving the expression for the magnitude of the electric field around a point charge, Q. Following that, you'll delve into the electric field concept. Students will grasp the idea that space around a charged object is influenced, and they will learn to visualize and describe this field of force. Building on the previous lesson, you'll learn about electric field strength. In this lesson, students will define electric field strength as the force exerted per unit positive charge. Next, we'll cover problem solving with important formulas. Students will learn to solve problems and analyze information using the equations. Then, you'll apply your knowledge by exploring applications. Building upon the derived expression, students will solve problems. In the lesson on magnitude and direction of electric field, students will learn how to calculate the magnitude and direction of the electric field at a point due to two charges, considering both like and opposite signs. Next, you'll explore electric field lines. In this lesson, students will sketch electric field lines for two-point charges of equal magnitude with the same or opposite signs. We'll then introduce the electric dipole concept. The concept of an electric dipole will be introduced in this lesson. Students will understand what constitutes an electric dipole and how it differs from individual charges, further expanding their understanding of electric fields. Following that, we'll discuss electric flux. In this lesson, students will learn to define and explain electric flux. They will understand the concept of electric flux as a measure of the electric field passing through a surface. Next, you'll delve into electric flux through a surface. Students will understand the electric flux through a surface enclosing a charge. This lesson will involve visualizing and calculating electric flux in different scenarios. In the lesson on Gauss's law, students will state and explain the law. They will understand how Gauss's law relates to the distribution of charges and the electric field. We'll then cover the electric field of conducting plate. Students will describe and draw the electric field due to an infinite-size conducting plate with positive or negative charge. Next, you'll learn about the electric field of hollow spherical conductor. Students will sketch the electric field produced by a hollow spherical charged conductor. Following that, we'll explore the electric field between charged parallel plates. Students will sketch the electric field between and near the edges of two infinitely sized oppositely charged parallel plates. They will grasp how the electric field varies in this configuration. Next, you'll delve into electric potential. This lesson defines electric potential at a point in terms of the work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Students will understand the concept of electric potential and its significance. We'll then discuss the unit of potential. Students will learn to define the unit of electric potential in this lesson. Following that, we'll cover problem solving with electric potential formula. Building upon the concept of electric potential, students will solve problems. In the lesson on the relationship between electric field and potential, students will describe that the electric field at a point is given by the negative of the potential gradient at that point. This lesson establishes the relationship between electric field and electric potential. Next, in this lesson, students will solve problems using the expressions. This involves applying the relationship between electric field, potential, and distance to practical scenarios, reinforcing their understanding of electrostatics. Following that, we'll delve into the electric potential due to a point charge. In this lesson, students will derive an expression for electric potential at a point due to a point charge. They will understand how the charge distribution influences the electric potential in its vicinity. Next, you'll learn about calculating potential in the field of a point charge. Building upon the derived expression, students will learn to calculate the electric potential in the field of a point charge. This lesson involves practical applications and problem-solving exercises. We'll then discuss the electron volt. Students will define and become familiar with the use of the electron volt. This lesson introduces a practical unit for measuring energy in the context of electric potential. Next, you'll explore capacitance and farad. In this lesson, students will learn about capacitance and the farad. They will solve problems using the capacitance formula, understanding how charge and potential difference relate to the ability of a capacitor to store charge. Following that, we'll cover capacitors in simple circuits. Students will describe the functions of capacitors in simple circuits. This lesson explains how capacitors contribute to the storage and release of electrical energy in various electronic applications. Next, you'll learn about capacitors in series and parallel. Building upon the understanding of capacitors, students will solve problems using formulas for capacitors in series and in parallel. This involves analyzing and calculating the effective capacitance in different circuit configurations. Following that, we'll discuss the polarization of dielectric. In this lesson, students will explain the polarization of the dielectric of a capacitor. They will understand how the presence of a dielectric material affects the capacitance of a capacitor. Next, you'll delve into the charging and discharging of a capacitor. Students will demonstrate the charging and discharging of a capacitor through a resistance. This practical lesson involves understanding the time constants associated with these processes. Finally, we'll cover the energy stored in a capacitor. This lesson ties together the concepts of charge, potential, and energy storage in capacitors. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 11 and embark on this enriching journey crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.